Hello friends. Are you heard about male menopause? We will learn it today. Male menopause, also known as andropause or late-onset hypogonadism. Hormone changes are a natural part of aging. Unlike the more dramatic drop in female reproductive hormones during menopause, the term male menopause has been used to describe decreasing testosterone levels related to aging. Women and men experience different hormone changes as they age. In women, ovulation ends and hormone production plummets during a relatively short period of time. This is known as menopause. In men, production of testosterone and other hormones declines over a period of many years. This gradual decline of testosterone levels is called late-onset hypogonadism or age-related low testosterone. A man's testosterone levels decline on average about 1% a year after age 40. But older men still have testosterone levels within the normal range, with only an estimated 10% to 25% having levels considered to be low. However, sex hormone changes in men occur gradually. Low testosterone levels in older men often go unnoticed. Here is what you need to know. Age-related hormonal changes that some men experience as they grow older. In addition, the signs and symptoms associated with low testosterone aren't specific to low testosterone. They can also be caused by a person's age, medication use, or other conditions. During male menopause, there is a gradual decline in the production of testosterone, the primary male sex hormone. Testosterone plays a crucial role in various bodily functions, including sexual health, muscle mass, bone density, mood regulation, and cognitive function. The decline in testosterone levels can result in a range of symptoms, which may include sexual changes, reduced libido, sex drive, erectile dysfunction, decreased spontaneous erections, and decreased overall sexual satisfaction. Physical changes, loss of muscle mass and strength, increased body fat, particularly in the abdominal area, decreased bone density, increasing the risk of osteoporosis, decreased energy levels, and physical fatigue. Emotional and psychological changes, mood swings, irritability, depression, decreased motivation, decreased concentration, and memory problems. It's important to note that not all men experience these symptoms, and the severity and onset of symptoms can vary widely. Furthermore, other medical conditions and lifestyle factors can contribute to similar symptoms. So it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for a proper evaluation and diagnosis. If symptoms of male menopause significantly affect a man's quality of life, there are treatment options available. Hormone replacement therapy, HRT. Specifically, testosterone replacement therapy, TRT, may be prescribed to help restore testosterone levels and alleviate symptoms. However, the decision to pursue HRT should be made on an individual basis, weighing the potential benefits against the risks and considering a person's overall health and medical history. It's important to consult with a healthcare professional who specializes in hormonal health or endocrinology to discuss symptoms, concerns, and potential treatment options related to male menopause. It is an informative video only. Thank you for watching. Please share this video or any other useful resources you find so that others can benefit. I would appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. It is greatly helpful to me to have your support.